Now this is the base body tone guide put out this poster by the Opal Association. Well, what do you think about it, Chris?
As a second generation opal miner, I think it's a great idea to have a definitive black opal, dark opal and crystal opal or light opal. So I think it's a great idea.
Well, basically, I think if you walk into a shop, you see the opals, you know it's dark, you don't really need the base body tone. The only area where it's really needed is now a lot of opal is sold on the internet. People need to compare one seller to another seller. And the trouble is, everyone's computer screen's a bit different lighting, different cameras. So if everybody follows the base body tone, a buyer can compare one seller to another, value for money. Just have a look at this example. So this is what I was meaning, Chris. See, we have a stone here which is an N5, which is classified as a dark opal. If somebody was to enhance it, it then becomes a N4, which is actually a black opal, which is well over 50% more carat. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can. A tiny little bit of enhancement seems to make the difference. That's why this guide we have here is an awesome tool.
Yeah. Actually, one way to use this guide, a little trick, is when you look at your stone, just ignore the colour, the pattern, the back of the stone, and if you squint your eyes, just try and see the darkness in the stone. So that's one trick with using this, is just squint a bit, you will see the darkness of it, and it's up to all purchasers to tell a seller if they're not correctly labelling their stock, and make sure you get a guarantee on all stones that they do comply with the classification.